Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to hard reset Motorola G54. If you forgot your phone code or pattern, the only way to delete it is to perform a hard reset. The hard reset will delete all your data, contacts, photos, applications, but will not delete the Google account. Press power button and volume down to restart the phone. Hold until the phone restarts. Let them go and quickly press them back. Please hit the like button and subscribe, it would help me a lot. With volume button, select recovery and confirm with power button. Now press and keep pressed power button and short press volume up button. Now you are in recovery menu. Navigate with volume buttons and select wipe data and confirm with power button. Select wipe data factory reset and confirm with power button. After wipe data is completed, press reboot system to restart the phone and you are done. Thanks for watching.